you need a printing paper. You can have better size A4 paper. Either one is fine. And then you need a pencil. This is an optional, actually. So first step, I will leave the paper this way and I fold the paper in half. Easy. Next, I start from the top here, fold it to the center crease. Okay. So just keep in mind that this is the version I make when I was a little, so it's made slightly different than what you have seen before. Now start from next step. I start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Okay. There's a gap, that's okay. Next step, I start from the top here. I fold it to this corner. And next step, I repeat the same step. I start from this corner, I fold to this corner. You can see it. Perfect. Okay, there we go. That's pretty good. Alright, and then I will turn the paper over. Now you can see that we have this corner, this section, and this corner. We use them as the reference. Okay, imagine that you have a line from here to here, then just fold this triangle shape down. Here we go. See that what we have, right? Okay, fold this one back, then turn the paper over. Now you see this crease. I will fold to the center crease. That's easy. Fold this one out. Then repeat the same step for this side. Fold to the center crease. Then you can see this part. Just fold down. Okay. Fix it a little bit though. Maybe up just a little bit. That's good. And then I'll turn the paper this way. Okay, now you can see this edge and this edge. We'll fold both edges to the center crease. I'll show you now. So fold like this. Okay, and then repeat the same thing for this side. Okay, and repeat the same step for the other side. Here we go. Alright, so this is very good. Now you can see the top here. I fold straight down to this edge. Let's see what I have here. Okay, now fold it back. Turn the paper this way. And see this like this, right? I will just fold this edge to the center crease and repeat the same step for this side. Finish one side already. See that? Repeat the same step for the other side. Pretty simple. Okay, I like the gap. Okay, this will easier for you to fold later. Here we go. Then you see this part. See the crease here? Just fold it down like this. See how I fold it? Hold the paper like this. Then just fold it like this. Now you get the top of the swallow down. Here we go. Fold it down. Next step, we'll fold the paper in half. See the gap there? This is very useful. That's perfect, right? Next step, we will fold this layer down to create the wings. But this is best. We have the bottom part here higher than the top. So we use this part as the standard point. Okay? They will force diagonally straight to here. So it should be about 1 inch from the corner here along this edge, or 1 inch, more than 1 inch a little bit. That will make sure that your blend will never fly down. See right from here. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. Turn the paper over, for that. Very simple. Now, at this point, I will show you guys how to make 2 versions of the swallow. So, I will show you the modern version that many of you have done. So, you can see the end of the wings here. Just estimate about half an inch and just fold it up. That's fine. And then turn the paper over and fold it up. Okay. See that? What we have for now. Open the wings, everything up. So this is the swallow you guys have seen. And